Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video we are going to talk about Shoppers Drug Mart error code 30003. The error reads, "We're unable to place your order. We're having issues accessing your PC Optimum account. Call customer service for assistance." This error comes when users try to check out or redeem points during an order. According to our research, this error is likely caused by issues with the account connection, browser compatibility, or a temporary system-side issue. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to try placing the order using the mobile app instead of the website. If the error still comes, try switching browsers. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Safari or Edge or any other browser and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, your account might be locked due to suspicious activity. In that case, reset both your account password and your personal email password. Then try again and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, it could be a server-side issue. So wait for a few hours and try again. Or contact support for help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.